Good morning, day 18 of our practice together, True Nature. Today I am going to focus again on the body, a little bit on our containers, but today just really becoming more embodied is the focus. You know, that a lot of the time people think that meditation is about leaving your body, about these outer body experiences or something like that. But it's absolutely the opposite. Meditation is not about leaving your body. It's about actually becoming embodied. And it's only through embodiment that we can truly meditate. So we touched on this previously in the practice when we looked at the body. So let's go a little bit deeper today. So as always, if you make yourself comfortable, come into your relaxed pose, alert, upright, but relaxed, just whatever helps you to reach your sense of stillness and presence. You can feel yourself begin to tune in, begin to still your mind and your body, and begin to come aware of your presence in this moment. Let's take a couple of initial deep breaths, as always, just to help. Each exhalation you can sigh, may bring you closer to the stillness, whatever works for you. Once you have done this, just resume your normal pattern of breathing. Feel yourself beginning to pause. Eyes gently closed. And begin to become aware of your body, your container, that which is your body, and any sensations within your body. So this is part of a practice that I learned from one of my teachers, Tara Brach, renowned meditation, mindfulness teacher. But it's really powerful and useful when practicing embodiment. So I want you to actually just gently open your eyes if you had closed them. And I want you to raise your hand and just look at your hand. Just recognize it as your hand. You know what comes up for you when you look at it. What does your hand do? What does it mean to you? What memories are in it? Maybe turn your hand around. Feel the sensations as you move it through space. Just notice and become really aware of your hand. I want you to gently close your eyes again. Keep your hand where it is And just start moving it through the air, the spaciousness that is the air around you. Move your hand, really feel the sensations of your hand. Feel them not for what you think your hand is, or the ideas or memories you hold in association with your hand, but just feel the sensations for what they actually are in this very moment. Maybe move your hand around. Feel those sensations from the inside out of your hand. All that aliveness and tingling and any sensations. And notice if those sensations have a blurred boundary, outline. Just the sensations. Are they still in that container that is your hand that you saw when your eyes were open? Or are the sensations, does it feel like something different? Just notice. Okay, so you can just leave your hand down. I want you to bring your awareness to your head. A space between your eyes. Your eyes really soften the space here. You let your eyes smile, maybe a slight smile in your mouth. Inside your mouth, your head, soft. Again, just feel the sensations that are around your head, in your head, the inside out. Just feel those sensations. And just begin to move down the body and letting the sensations, the feeling, sensations of your body just move downwards, down your neck, your shoulders, as though your shoulders are melting down your back, down your belly, really soft belly, to your hips, your legs, down into your feet. You feel this sensation of complete aliveness throughout your body. And try and feel these sensations from the inside out. Notice the connection you have in this moment with your body. So much going on within you right now. All the ebbs and flows, the tingling, vibrations, sensations. And now I want you to imagine a because our imagination is such a powerful, magical, amazing tool. I want you to imagine so much more going on within you. Mountains, forests, oceans, moon, stars, all flowing through your body in this moment. All of those sensations. The aliveness of you right now. Okay, when you're ready, you can gently, slowly open your eyes, a soft gaze.